Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make thin bagels at home using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients: flour, water, yeast, and a touch of salt. Mix them well, then knead the dough for about 10 minutes until it feels smooth and springy. After kneading, place the dough in a bowl, cover it, and let it rise until it has doubled in volume. This initial step is crucial for a great texture. Once your dough has risen beautifully, it's time to shape those bagels. Gently punch down the dough and divide it into 8 equal portions, each weighing around 3 ounces. Take each portion and roll it into a thin rope, about 8 inches in length. Then, bring the ends of the rope together and firmly pinch them to create a seamless circle. This technique helps achieve that desirable thin bagel shape. The boiling step is essential for that classic bagel chew and shine. Fill a large pot with water and add 1 tablespoon of malt syrup. This gives them their signature flavor. Once boiling, carefully place 2 or 3 bagels into the water, boiling each side for 30 seconds. Use a slotted spoon to remove them, allowing any extra water to drain off before the next step. Finally, it's time to bake your delicious thin bagels. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the boiled bagels on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, ensuring they have enough space. Bake them for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and a slightly crisp exterior. Enjoy your homemade thin bagels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.